Hello guys, and welcome back to Reaction Zone. In today's lesson, we're going to look at how to calculate the oxidation number of iron in the compound on the board. So to solve this problem, we have to make an assumption, and that is, let the oxidation number of iron be X. Remember that the algebraic sum of the oxidation numbers of elements in the compound must be equal to 0. So it means that when we add the oxidation number of potassium with that of iron with that of cyanide in this compound, everything must be equal to 0. So this means that 4 multiplied by oxidation number of potassium plus oxidation number of iron plus 6 multiplied by oxidation number of cyanide, everything will be equal to 0. Oxidation number of potassium is +1, so this is 4 into bracket plus 1. That of X, which you're looking, that of iron, which you're looking for, is X. So this is X plus 6 into bracket. The oxidation number of cyanide, Cn minus, is -1. So this is equal to 0. So this is +4 plus X minus 6 is equal to 0. Collecting like term, this will be X minus 6 plus 4 is equal to 0. And X minus 2 will be equal to 0. Therefore, X will be equal to +2. So this means that the oxidation number of iron in this compound is equal to +2. Thank you for viewing, and see you in the next lesson.